Hey guys, welcome to Login Tips. Today I'll be showing you how to deactivate your Twitter account on your phone. And now let's dive right in. Now, in order to deactivate your Twitter account on your phone, first open up the Twitter app like this. And guys, make sure to log into the account which you want to deactivate. And now to proceed with the deactivation process, at the top right corner of the screen, at the top left corner of the screen, you can see your profile icon available over here. Tap on that profile icon like this and scroll down, and you will be able to see the settings and support option for the account. Tap on the settings and support like this, and again scroll down, you can see the settings and privacy. Guys, tap on the settings and privacy like this. And now from over here, guys, in order to deactivate your Twitter account, at the top of the screen you can see the your account option available for us. Tap on that your account like this, and over here, guys, you can see the fourth or the last option available for us, which says the deactivate account by Twitter. So let's tap on the deactivate account, and over here, guys, you'll be required to read all of these, and after that tap on deactivate again at the bottom side of the screen, which is the red button. Tap on that deactivate, and over here, guys, you'll be required to enter your password of the Twitter account in order to confirm that it's you. And after entering your password, simply tap on the deactivate and simply tap on the deactivate button available at the bottom right corner of the screen, and your account and your Twitter account will be permanently deactivated until you retrieve it for 30 days, I guess, and after that your account will be permanently deleted. With that being said, guys, this is how you deactivate your Twitter account on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.